Back again. Let's do another traditional one tonight. Pretty sure a little while ago I had someone wanting a tab for Wildwood Flowers. Wildwood Flower, if not flowers, single. So I posted the tab. I figured what's better than the tab? A lesson. So let's try it out and see what we get. Let's play it through once just so I remember what I'm doing. There's a high part I do there too. There's a high part there, and I don't do it that well anymore. It's been a while since I played that song, but I'll show you what I do on it as well. It's nice, you know, when you do the low parts, and everything has its place, but because your Merlin is set up as a single scale, it's hard to get different sounds out of it. But if you can play the same thing that you play up here, down here, gives you just more of a better sound when you're playing a song, so you're not doing the same thing over and over again. Especially if you're just a picker and not a singer, because that does help. Anyways, so let's take this as a lesson here and go note by note. See how this works out for us. So it starts on the 2nd fret of your low D string. Actually, let me go to the tabs here too. Since I slow it down, I tend to screw up. Let's have it right in front of me. Lots and lots. There we go. So the first section, everything's a group of 3 for the first 2 lines. And the first 2 lines are exactly the same, they just repeat each other. So we'll just take it in the group of 3s. So that's the first and second line. And then the third line starts on the 2nd string to the high D string. Let's do that again. For the last line, I'm going to do that one more time. So it sounds pretty simple, and it is pretty simple. It's just when you start adding all the chords and it starts getting a little more complicated. So let's go start that again, and I'll call out the chords as I play them. And so that starts in a D, still a D, A, D, 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 A, D, there is a G there, but because of the picking you're doing, you don't actually have to play it. You can if you want, but I never do, because when I pick it, I just don't hit that top string. So still in the D, A. So let's do that all the way through, just a little bit faster. A. A. Man, I feel like Canadian, eh? A. So I noticed when I was playing that, when I showed you the slow part on the second or third line, when I was playing it faster, that I wasn't doing it that way. I'm hitting in the open. Same note. So whichever way works for you. It's probably the open way will be faster once you get to speed. Now that high part, let's see if we can remember this together. That's probably hard for the camera to pick up those high ones there. So this is just replacing those first two lines. From there you go into that. So let's play it as a normal speed, and the normal speed for me is fast. I always play everything fast. It's, well, Wild with Flowers not, but a lot of this other stuff is gospel. It's meant to be played with some rhythm behind it, not the slow stuff that you usually see. Even Sweet By and By, I play that way faster than I should. But it's just a fun, bouncy song. So let's start this out here. These videos keep getting longer and longer. Better not do anything to screw up on YouTube there, and they ban me from posting any long videos. Anyways, the Wildwood Flower, and there you guys go. See if I get through a few more tonight. And, like I said, I'll just keep posting them, and hope you guys like them. Have fun, make it your own, and keep on playing.